Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today also we are doing multiplication. Already we did a few videos on multiplication. So here I'm going to discuss about the applications of the first formula whatever we learned in our previous videos. What do you mean by application? So application means so whatever the basic concepts we learn or formulas we learn, so applying those formulas and concepts to new examples, so that we can call it as an applications. So now here we will learn how you can apply your first formula whatever you learned in previous videos to these examples. So how we can convert this example to that example. Okay, so how these are the examples which are actually not satisfying our basic rules. Okay, so even though we can apply our first formula with the help of few changes. Okay, so here are the examples. So if you see this example, the first one, so we have 67 times 65, which is violating our rule. Actually the tens place is okay, so the values are same, but in ones place you are not getting 10, you are getting 12, right? So how we can make it as when you add the two digits you should get 10. So how we can convert this one? So for that, without changing the definition, without changing the values, I am writing this one as something like this. So 65 converted as 65 plus 2 times 65. Okay, so it doesn't change any of our first one meaning, right? So that's the thing. Now I am simplifying it. I am expanding the values. So 65 times 65 plus 2 times 65. So now these I converted like our earlier one. Okay, 65 times 65, when you add it you are getting 10, and the tens place is same. Okay, so you can apply your first formula. So the answer is 4225 plus 2 times 65 is 130. So if you add these two you will get the value of this number, so which is 4 3 5 5. Okay, is that clear? So very simple. So whatever the example we have taken, so that we converted into as our earlier example, then we applied our first formula method. Okay, so let's see this example, 68 times 64. So here I have 8, so if I convert this 64 as 62, then it's like our earlier example. Okay, 68, so I won't change 68, so I will change 64 as 62 plus 2. Okay, sorry. So 62 plus 2. Now expand the expression. Okay, so 68 times 62 plus 2 times 68. So 68 times 62 means it's like our first we can apply our first formula. So 6 7s are 42, 8 2s are 16, and then 2 times 68. So 2 times 68 means 136. So now when you add it, so you can use your Vedic maths method when you are doing your addition. Okay, so 4, then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, but we have combination, carry combination, then we need to make it as 5, then 2. Yeah, that's our answer. Okay, let's see the next question. 77 minus 76. So actually if you get like 73, we can apply our first formula. So 77 times 76 I will convert it as 73 plus 3. So I am not changing any of this actual example. Okay, but the way I am representing is different. Okay, so 77 times, so I am writing 76 as 73 plus 3. Now let's multiply. 77 times 73 is like we can apply our first formula. 8 7s are 56, 7 3s are 21, and then 3 77s, 21 which is 232. So now use your Vedic math method. Sorry, 231. Let's use our Vedic maths to add these two numbers. 5 6 plus 2 8, we don't have any carry combination, and then we have 2 plus 3 5, then 1 plus 1 2. Okay, let's see the next question. 78 times 76, which is 76. How you can convert? 72 plus 4. Then 78 times 72 means 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16. Plus 478, 312. So if we add two values, then the answer is 5928. So I will write down that one here. 5928. Let's see the next question. 119 times 114. 119 times 114. So 114 we can write it as 111 plus 3. So next 11 12s are, which is 132. Then 9 1s are 909. Then we need to multiply 119 times 3. So how much? Let's multiply here. 9 3s are 27. 3 1s are 3, and then plus 2 5 3. So 357. So let me add these values, then we will get it. 1 3 5. I'll get 6 because it's a carry combination. Then here it is 6. So that's how you need to solve the question. So let's take next example. So here 48. Actually you need to get 2 in ones place, okay, but we have here 41. So what I will do this time, I won't add it, I'll subtract it, okay. 42 minus 1. So now it is in the form of our first, we can apply our first formula, okay. So 48 times 42 means 4 5s are 20, 8 2s are 16. So minus 48. So you need to subtract. So here also we can use our Vedic maths. So the answer is, so it's a borrow combination, means 20 we need to reduce to 1. So which is 19. 1 plus 6 7. 7 again we need to write it as 6. Then 6 plus 2 8. Okay, let's see a few more examples because still we got time. So 56 times 53. So here I needed 4. Okay, so what I'm doing, again I'll do subtraction. 54 minus 1. So now it is in the form of, we can apply our first formula. So 56 times 54 means 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 minus 56. So the answer is 29. 2 plus 5 6, because 7, but we have borrow combination, so 6. 4 plus 4 8. Okay, let's see next example. $55 times 54. So here actually I should have 5 in ones place. 5 in ones place. Okay, so that's why I'm doing subtraction again. Now again we can apply our first formula. So 55 times 55, which is 6 5s are 30, 25 minus 55. So 30 25 minus 55 means 29. 6, not 6. This is 7, right? Because we don't have any borrow combination. So 7, yeah, 0. 2970. Okay. So let's see the next question. 55. Again 55 minus 2 this time. So 30 25 minus 50. No, 110. Because 55 2s are, right? Yeah. So what's the answer? 29 15. Wait, anyway I'll correct it. 29, yes. Then 2 minus 1, 1, because we don't have any borrow combination. I thought we have borrow combination. Yes. So 5 minus 0, 5. Okay, so that's how you need to do all these questions. So, okay, let me solve one more question. 128, 122 plus 2. Okay, so this is same like our, now we got into the same method, so we need to apply. So I think remaining problems you can do it as homework. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.